as long as na honest work. Alarm ring before daylight, man done timeless. Some they catch first bus, some they rush go up place. Some they open market, some they sweep the floor. Everybody gets one dream, where them they fight for. No be everybody wear suit and tie. Some they use strong hand to make tomorrow fly. No matter what thing you do, as long as it clean, respect every worker. Now so life supposed be. No shame to hustle, no shame to grind. Every little effort, now investment for tomorrow time. No shame to hustle, lift your head up high. Today fit high, tomorrow fit change your life. No shame to hustle, better days they come. Keep your faith alive. Never stop, never run. Keke for the roadside, drivers still they smile. Courier motorcycle don't ride many miles. Mama fry a cara, Papa fix motor. Student they do night shift, dreaming of better tomorrow. Some they clean office after everybody go. Nobody see their labor, but now them make them glow. God know they measure person by the clothes you wear. Now the work inside your heart, him they always care. No shame to hustle, no shame to grind. Every little effort, now investment for tomorrow time. No shame to hustle, lift your head up high. Today fit high, tomorrow fit change your life. Forget to laugh today, forget to talk, say no. Every mighty hero go start as a little seed for ground. One day your own light go shine for everybody see. Just keep moving, one step, one day at a time.